explain to you guys how I entered this trade. Okay, so as you can see right now, like this is actually in an uptrend. You get, the market is actually creating a, okay, it's actually creating a higher high and higher lows. All right, and this is actually in higher time frame, like 15 minutes time frame that I'm using right now. So I consider this, okay, when you're on the trade, here becomes my higher high and here becomes my higher low. Now it's about to change structure though now, but I have to calm down because this actually the rate at which it was, so I don't actually if it's going to pull down the more or if it's going to actually get to this extent. When it crosses here, when it sits here, that's when I've known that yes, it have exceeded the trade. That means I should have waited for it till it comes to this extent. But what I did was that I came to a smaller time frame. That's I came to a 15 minutes time frame. Now when I came to 15 minutes time frame, then what I checked was, I now saw that here becomes my lower low and here becomes my higher high. Now it's pushed down again. Now here becomes my lower low and here becomes my higher high. Then it continued. As it continued, it failed to break this lower low. Then it now came and, okay, it mitigated this higher high. Then it failed again and created another lower low again. Now it pushed down to the upside and broke this structure. So as it broke the structure, I consider this as a break of structure and a change of structure. Now as it pushed back, I have to set my entries here, which is my flip zone. Now that's how I setted my entries. Then the trade kept on moving forward. That's the change of structure. Then it came and tapped on my entry zone. All right, let me just check to my okay, I love 4 hours very well. All right, it tapped to my 4 hours time frame, or let me use a 15 minute 1 hour time frame. As it tapped in there, all right, then what I did was I came down to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 15. So I came down to 15 minutes time frame. Before I enter a trade, I have to wait for the for the um for the change of character. Yesterday, this was the trade we took yesterday. We entered the trade right here. We entered the trade right here and skyped up till we took all TP here. You get. All right, so as I was waiting for a change of structure, now it broke structure here. Now here now becomes my higher high, here becomes my higher high, here becomes my lower low. Then it came again and broke these higher highs and came and formed another higher high. Definitely here becomes my lower higher low. So if this trade actually, as if it is falling down, so if it breaks this structure, I will know yes that we are now in a downtrend. So unfortunately it came and it broke the structure, so I'll be waiting for a flip zone, or I'll be waiting for fair value gaps to enter the trade. So unfortunately this actually was the flip zone because it failed and retraced back again. This was the flip zone. This was the flip zone entry. So, and I didn't even enter at that flip zone entry. So I came to my 1 minute because then I wasn't awake. All right, it came, it was forming, it was all forming, pushing downwards. Now what I did was I came here, I mapped it out, then came again, then it pushed down to my entries. That was a sniper. That's why we are called bullion sniper Forex trades. So it came here and tapped into my entry, then started pushing down. So that's how this trade went. That's how this trade went. All right, I think, okay, we are still on the trade. That's the trade went. All right, we are on already $500 on profit. All right, so these are enter the trades.